In this video, I've got another fantastic venison recipe coming your way. Steamed Chinese venison stuffed dumplings. Created by special guest chef Natalia. If you're looking for a new and exciting, delicious, nutritious wild game recipe, then you have got to try this one. Steamed Chinese venison stuffed dumplings. There are two parts to this recipe, which include making the dough for the dumplings and then the venison filling. Now, as a side note before we get started, depending on how much of the venison filling you stuff into each dumpling, you may have a fair amount left over. So you might need to experiment with this recipe once or twice to get a balanced combination of both the dough and the mixture. If you do have a fair amount of the venison mixture left over though, you can simply use it for making venison fried rice, which I'll be showing you how to do in another upcoming video, so stay tuned. But for now, let's get cooking. Take it away, Natalia. delicious. These dumplings taste as good as they look. This is a recipe that you'll definitely have to try for yourself. Special thanks once again to our guest chef Natalia, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming venison recipes.